Act fast if you want to drive this low kilometer 2018 Tacoma TRD Off Road home. It looks amazing in alpine white with a lift kit, 17-inch fuel alloy wheels, and BF Goodrich All Terrain Tires. Around the back you'll find a tow package, color match step bumper, TRD Off Road branding, and custom blacked out emblems. Dropping the tailgate reveals the pickup's composite bed is in new condition and includes a 120 volt power outlet. From the driver's side, this awesome 4x4 features a black grille, projector beam headlights, LED running lights, and fog lights. Inside, the truck is spacious and well designed. Comfort features include premium TRD Grade Cloth Upholstery, climate control air conditioning, cruise control, a leather-wrapped wheel with tilt steering, push-button start, power windows and locks, and an AM, FM, CD, SAT radio display audio system with Bluetooth, navigation, and a backup camera. The front seats are nicely contoured, and the double cab offers plenty of room in the back for passengers and gear, or fold up the seats and use the area for more cargo space. The engine bay is factory fresh and power comes from a 3.5-liter V6 mated to an automatic transmission and 4-wheel drive. Don't wait on this one. Call today to book your test drive or stop by for a look. We're located on Leathead Road in Kelowna.